QA Wolf. In this video, we're going to be discussing about a platform that allows you to go ahead and search all of the bugs and test all of the coverages for your web and mobile applications that you have. Okay. Now, basically, if you are a content creator or you are a person who manages softwares and different types of applications, then you want to go ahead and check for errors, do trial and error, see if there are any bugs in your program and get it fixed, then this is the platform for you. QA Wolf will provide you with the settings that are out there for when it comes to E2E test coverage. Okay, and to basically start off with it, what you're going to want to do is you're going to come over to qawolf.com and you're going to enter your work email. Now, the best part about this platform is that you can start off totally free. So you're going to add in your email and click on get started for free. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to add the necessary information that they require from you. So basically, you're just going to add in all the details we have. So company size, I'm going to go for 0 to 29. What is your biggest challenge with QA testing? I'm going to go ahead and write, how did you hear about us? I'm just going to go ahead and write internet. And testing needs. So, do you want to test your web applications or your mobile applications, or do you want to test both of them? Okay, so I'm going to go with both because obviously that gives us a more featured filled repertoire. Okay, you get a whole lot of different features for it. You get a better repertoire. So here it says, thanks. What time works best for a quick call? Okay, so you're going to basically add the time that you're going to need for a call. Obviously, the QA Wolf and the people they have are going to schedule a meeting for you. Okay, and this meeting will basically book a demo for you. And you can check it out in your email addresses that you're going to get an email where they give you an invitation for QA Wolf. Now let's discuss about QA Wolf and how it works. Now basically what happens is that you have these different features that they revolve around. Okay, so first of all is the planning. So first of all, they plan out the coverage. Everything starts from an outline. So you get tons and tons of test cases with the different needs and values that you can cover through well. And what you can also do is you can basically paw over your app where you can break down all the testing groups. So in this example, they have given us Google Maps. Then they also give you a whole testing matrix where you get proper A/B testing. Okay, so there's two different outcomes that you can test from and get whatever solution that you require. They go through each and every single code of the program and they see if there is any buggings or fixes that are needed to be done. And moving on, you can also go ahead and code things yourself. So if you want to add different lines of code into your program after fixing it, that can be doable in this platform as well, where you can test independently in parallel with different codes that are run through the platform. Plus, what happens is it runs in parallel where it runs all the tests, and while running those tests, it gives you live analytics of how many bugs have been found, how many bugs are being fixed, and how much the runtime actually is for those fixes. So, that's the main idea of QA Wolf and how it works. It's a pretty good platform, and the steps that it goes through to fix your program is amazing. You can also check its very discrete and saturated use cases. Okay, so you get use cases like blockchain and Web3. If you have any type of platform for those, you can use it on that. Then you have e-commerce and retail stores where you can test Stripe payment processing or any other type of retail features like performance testing, Amazon product pages, and etc. So if you have a product page for any type of e-commerce store, you can test it out through QA Wolf and see if it actually is going to work for you. And you can see other use cases right over here in their qwolf.com/capabilities website. Okay, so whatever use case you have, you can get an idea of it from here. So that's basically the main idea of QA Wolf and what it really is about. So if you enjoyed this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the very next video. Have a great and amazing day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.